In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to delete TradingView layouts. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid accidentally removing a layout you might want to keep. First, navigate to TradingView.com and log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, head to your charts page where all your current chart layouts are accessible. On the charts page, locate the name of your current chart layout at the top center of the screen. Click on this name to open a menu with options related to your chart layouts. Within this menu, find and click on the option labeled Layout. This will reveal another option, Open Layout, which leads you to all your saved layouts. Scroll through your saved chart layouts to find the one you wish to delete. Double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct layout, as this action is irreversible. Next to the layout you want to delete, you'll see a Remove option. Click Remove to initiate the deletion process. The system will ask for confirmation, so click Yes to finalize and permanently delete the selected TradingView layout. Remember, once a layout is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so be certain about your choice. Keeping your TradingView layouts organized can significantly enhance your efficiency and workflow. Regularly managing and cleaning up your layouts ensures you have easy access to the ones you use most frequently, without the clutter of outdated options. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Keep your charting workspace tidy and efficient, and happy trading!